Oakley, welcome. Today, I'm going to tell you about an activity that I do every Friday morning up at Norbridge Senior Center. I took a picture of the chessboard. Two gentlemen were playing their game at this point. We have a chess club that meets on Friday mornings. And as you can see, these men are in the middle of their game. Looks like both gentlemen have lost some of their pieces. I can see that the gentleman playing the white pieces has lost one of its knights. And I believe the black knight is missing as well. Not sure how this game will end up. They're pretty close right now. And these two fellows are great players. The gentleman playing the black notes beat me twice today because I ended up giving up my queen. Always make a silly move. And once you lose your queen, your chances of winning are pretty slim. Do you like playing chess? If you'd like to learn more about the 90-day challenge, I suggest that you go to www.lucyresources.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.